And welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Korg Chromatic Tuner. Now you're going to use this to make it easy for you to tune. You don't have to do it by ear. This uses two AAA batteries. They're inside. I can demonstrate that for you right now. So there you are, two AAA batteries. Okay, so the way this works is you want to connect your guitar. I'm using the Schecter. It's connected. You're going to use your cord, and you're going to connect it right into the tuner itself. Okay, and I'm going to turn it on, and we're going to get a second angle and show you exactly what that looks like when you're tuning. Okay, so first thing you want to do is turn it on. Okay, so when you turn it on, you see that the needle represented by that line right there is all the way to the left. Okay, so what you want to do to tune it to E, standard E, you want to bring it to the middle. Now there's a representation of a flat right here and the representation of the sharp, but you want it to go right in the middle of the green. So let's start with E, okay, which is this string right here. Okay, so you see I have it tuned to C sharp, but we want to go to E. So what you want to do is you're tuning. Here's your tuning. I'm going to bring this up. See, there's E. Okay, you're going to bring it so that it's green right in the middle. Okay, so you want to go to the next one. If you want to know what your next note is, just fret the E string right here. So it's going to be A. So the next note that we want is A. So let's bring that up all the way to A. See? So you want to make sure it's in the middle. It's green. It says A right there. So now you're tuning, you just keep doing that for the rest of the string, and that's how you use the Korg tuner. And just to show you that it's still staying in tune, there's E. It should be lighting up green right there. See? Okay, and then there's A. Okay, so you should be able to see it represented by the line. That's it. That's how you use the Korg Chromatic Tuner. Really simple. Hope you found this useful. Bye.